This is a tutorial on how to use the Moonball Leaderboard spreadsheet. When you go to this link, the first thing you'll have to do is make a copy of it so that you can edit it in your own account. The next thing you'll want to do is fill in the name of all the participants, all the players who play the game. You can fill this in at the start or as more and more players join. So let's put a few of these in. Let's say Alex, Blair, and Casey all join. And the next screen you'll see in the bottom here is the game log. The game log is where you'll record all of your wins and losses. So right away, as soon as you put players in, they'll show up. And you can put the date in if you want to, but it's not necessary. So let's say Alex beats Blair and Blair beats Casey. Okay. The next tab you'll see at the bottom is stats. And as soon as you put players in, they'll show up here. That's just copied from the player list. And it'll count how many wins they get, how many games they get, and also how many opponents they get. So the way this formula works is it takes the average head-to-head win-loss percentage against all their opponents. Plus, you'll see in this one, it includes 2 wins and 2 losses for everyone to start. This is just to prevent someone from just showing up, playing one game, winning the game, and getting 100% win-loss ratio. Okay, so that's why these numbers don't match up, if you're wondering why the math is weird. So it takes the average of all the head-to-head wins and losses, and then it also includes an opponent diversity bonus. So the more players that they play, the higher this number will be, and it multiplies it up to get a higher result. There's also a total number of games bonus. So the more games that they play, you get a small bonus added on too. This gives them the raw score, which is almost at the total. There's one more multiplier here, again, to give a bonus to people who have played more games. So if you just play one game, it starts out at 0.5, and then it goes up from there. And it goes up to a total of 1.000. Just to give a bonus to players who have played more games. Okay, this gives you the final score, and then it's just multiplied by 1,000 to get the ranking, which is not, it can go over 1,000, but the higher the better. The fourth tab at the bottom is the leaderboard, and this just takes the scores from the rankings and puts them in order. So you'll see Blair is first, Alex, and then Casey. So this is what you would want to share with your students if you're going to publish or print out the results on a week-to-week basis.